This is me, Ritika teacher, back. Yeah, this is the third part of your dance video. I saw a few videos in which I saw you kids dancing and practicing at home. I am really hoping that you all are enjoying doing the dance at home as much as I am enjoying teaching you all from here. Yeah, so till the time we don't meet, we have to meet like this. I'm hoping that you will keep practicing and there'll be many more songs that will be coming your way. Yeah, so this is the part 3 of your dance video. So before we go ahead for the new steps, I would request you all to please go back and revise the steps that are taught in the last 2 videos. Yeah, you have like 5 minutes. I'll be here. Yeah, and I'll meet you in the next 5 minutes quickly so that we can go ahead and learn a few more steps. Okay, come back soon. Okay, so you're back. Okay, great. So we'll go ahead and we learn the part 3, that is a few more steps of the song Capital Cities. Yes, so I'll just move a little behind. So if you all have practiced and if you all remember, the last step that we did was the chopping step on the right and the chopping step on the left with your legs going tapping. Yes, we were doing that. So that was your last step. We'll just do that step one more time, alright, with the wave. And then we'll go ahead and learn a few more steps. So let's go ahead. So 5, 6, 7 and wave, snap, wave, snap, wave, snap, wave, snap. We ended up on our left side. So now we go on our right side and we start chopping with our right leg tapping. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we'll do this entire patch, both the steps together twice. Alright, we'll do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, wave, wave, snap, wave, snap, wave, snap, wave, and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time and wave, snap, snap, wave, snap, snap, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So we ended up on our left side. Now your hands will come on your waist. How we were sliding and we were turning on the right side. Now we are going to take a wave only on the right side. Yeah, my back is facing the right side. So we ended up on the left. We'll go 1, 2, 3. Come to the center. Snap up. Now same thing. Your back faces on the left. 1, 2, 3. 3 will always come in the front. Okay. So one more time. Right side back. Wave 2, 3. Hit. Left 2, 3. Hit. Now with the wave, we have to move on our right side. Now pay attention to my legs. Yeah, so we ended up here. My legs are open. Now you will tap your right leg. Tap your right leg. Cross your left leg behind. Okay, don't fall. Okay, we'll do it. Tap your right leg. Cross your left leg behind. Open up your right leg again and join. One more time. Let's go back to our place. Go on the right side. Right. Left cross. Right open. And tap. Very good. Okay, the same way we'll go back to our position. So left open, we'll cross the right leg behind. Right back, left open and tap. One more time, a little faster. Now see in this, because you're moving and you can't see the leg how it's going. Okay, you have to concentrate on your body movements as well. So when you're traveling, don't go with bigger steps. Small steps, okay, so that you can go and come back. Alright, so let's go 5, 6, 7 small steps. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. See, I'm bending my body automatically. And left, right, center, left, right, left, center. Alright. Now with the leg movements, now that we've got a little hang of the leg movements, we'll take the wave that we were doing and we'll snap. So let's go. Keep your hands on your waist. 5, 6, 7, wave. 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. See, my body is going with the flow. Alright, when I'm tapping, at the same time my body goes behind. So let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, 2, 3, hit. Now I'm snapping up. Snap it up. Now left side, left, 2, 3, hit. Now the music is faster. So we'll go ahead and we'll go a little faster. Come on. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, right, hit, left, right, left, hit, right, left, right, hit, left, right, left, hit. Okay, we have to do this entire thing 4 times. Twice in the right, twice in the left. Okay, we'll do it on the music. Now, we'll do it from the beginning till here and we'll add on this step. So, let's go. Be ready. Keep your hands on your waist. Go. Change. Left. Change step. Roll. Left. And slide. Tap. One more time. Slide. Down. Now let's slide. Left. Turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go for the wave. Tap. 1. One more time. Hit. Now let's go to the new step. So right, left, right, hit, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, hit. Very good. Okay, so we added on the last step. Yeah, we'll do it one more time. From here, we'll do it on the music so that you get the new step again. Let's do it. Come on, be ready. 5, 6, 7, and wave. 1. Go. One more time. Go. Now new step with the wave. Wave, 2, 3. Hit. Wave, 2, 3. Hit. Pay attention on my legs. 5, 6, 7. Hit. Good. Great. Okay, so you got the hang of it. Now this is a little tricky step, I understand, so you have to keep practicing this one a little bit. So now we came back on our left side. Now place both your fists together, down. Turn your body on your right side. Now you have to assume that you're picking up something. So pick it up. Now see, my elbows are coming up. My hand is not coming up. My elbow comes out. So up, 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 up. See, it's only my elbows that are working, my hand is working, my shoulder is not working, my other body parts are not working right now, only the hand. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now 2 times each side. So we'll do this 6 times. We're not going to do this 8 times, we're going to do this 6 times. So right side 2 counts. 1, 2. Now this is 1 count, okay, 1 full set. So 2 counts, 1 set. So we're going to do 6 sets. So come on, 5, 6, 7, pull. 1, 2, change your side. Left, 2, right back, 1, 2, left back, 1, 2, right back, 1, 2, left back, 1, 2. So this is 6 sets. Okay, now when I'm pulling this, your knees are continuously going to be bending down. So come on, be here. 5, 6, 7, pull. 1, 2. See, I'm bending and pulling it up. So 1, 2. Change your side. Left, 2. Right side. 1, 2. Left side. 1, 2. Right side. 1, 2. Left side. 1, 2. Okay, now we'll go a little faster. Now there's no pause that is going to be there between right and left. So we'll go continuous. Come on, 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 again. 1, 2, 1, stop. We ended up on our left side. Now from your left side, you will just tap and take a circle. Keep your hands on your waist. You will go tap with your right leg and you will take a circle on the place. Right, left, right, stop. That's where you stop. Okay, so we'll just do it one more time from the last step that I taught you. Okay, so we did the wave, we did the chopping. Now we move on the side and then pull back. Come on, 5, 6, 7, right side, wave, 2, 3, hit, wave, 2, 3, again, 1, 2, 3, hit, 1, 2, 3, new step. Now see, in this my leg is joined in. I will open up my right leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Turn, 5, 6, 7, stop. Alright, great. So we'll do only the last part. We'll do it from the wave. Let's do it. 6, turn. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Great. Amazing. Yeah, we'll do it one more time, and then we'll do it from the beginning till here. And if we have a little more time, we'll go ahead. I'll teach you one more new step. All right, come on. Half of the song where we've done almost 8 to 9 steps. Yeah, I'm hoping you're enjoying it, and also that you remember the name of the song. The name of the song is Capital Cities. We'll do it from the beginning till here 2 times. Yeah, let's go for it. Hands on your waist. Smiles on your face. Come on. Go. New step. Good. Change. And slide. Down. Back. One more time. Slide. Let's slide. Right. Left. Turn. Wait. Chop it. One time. Chop. Wave and pop. Snap. 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 Let's pull. Up. 5. Turn. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Good. Very nice. Yeah. So we'll do it one last time. From the beginning, full energy. Yeah. Let's nail it. Come on. Be ready. Hands on your waist. Legs together. Go. Chase. New step. Roll. Come on. Roll. Left. And down. Hit. Tap. One more time. Tap. Now let's slide. Right side. Neck. Left. Turn. Wait. Chopping. Again. Wave and walk. 1, 2, 3. Pick. And pull. Pull. 5, 6, turn. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Great. Okay, so we've done almost half of the song. Yeah. So next time when we meet in the next part, we'll go ahead and we'll learn a few more new steps. Till then, please keep practicing and enjoy what you're doing. Keep smiling and have fun. Bye.